Hello, welcome back. Let's start today's drawing. Fix the masking tape. I have taken two different sizes of masking tape, like half inch and 1 inch of masking tape. I'm just making a very light sketch of branches and leaves. Today's drawing is going to be colorful leaves. You don't imagine what are the colors I have chosen for today's, leaves. And my background is a bouquet background. I have light yellow and gray rose bouquets and different shades of blue and green for the background. And leaves are going to be in different shades, different shapes. I realized that I always enjoy when I draw leaves. It's so close to my heart, and knowingly or unknowingly I do it well. Then I realized I love drawing the leaves. I have few leaves in the background and a few in the foreground. My foreground leaves are going to be more highlighted than the background leaves. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and keep watching all my videos. I hope you like all my work. I enjoy doing the drawing whenever I have, free time. It's my hobby to paint. Now I started the leaves. It's autumn season, so my themes are based on the autumn. My leaves are, dying, and these leaves are very old, so they are in different colors. I hope you liked all the previous videos. I have done few leaf drawing oil pastels already. If you want to watch it, you can check it on my channel. And I'll finish the bouquets later on. Just I have placed it right now. This leaf is a really beautiful one with the purple and gray rose and white. Light and dark purple is used. Now let's start painting all these leaves. This first leaf is going to be in yellow shade, so I'm using a light peach, pink, red and yellow shades. The second leaf is with yellow and green. Just I want to explore with some other color. Little, blue and purple. Use a cotton swab and blend the colors. Little touch of red and blend it softly. This leaf is going to be in light color, so I use pink shades and purple, then peach. I think all these leaves are in different colors. This one, small one, is going to be with the pink, light and dark pink and blue and purple. Now I think you can feel the same way how I got excited to see all these colors or in leaves are in different colors and different shades are mixed up. Always I use the pencil to finish all the fine lines, So I'm using pencil to draw the veins. Now I need to, cover up all these small space or gaps around these leaves. Let me complete this branch. I'm using brown for the branch, and I need a little, black to show, highlight the dark areas. And bends, this branch has too many bends, so I need black to highlight. And use a swab carefully so that you'll not spoil your entire painting. These are dark colors, will mix so quickly with the other colors. As my leaves are in different light shades, so I don't want to spoil this with the black and the brown shades. I'm using a pencil to make some dots on the leaves and to draw these worn out blade of the leaf. I spotted a few unfinished areas. I'm drawing the leaves, one in foreground, one in the background. I have used veins on the leaves which are in the foreground, and the leaves which are in the background, I just left it with one small thin line and just merging with the pastel. I'm not highlighting all the veins of the leaves in the background, as those things won't be, so fine lines won't be visible. Now little I have to focus on the background. Wherever I feel I have to complete it and it's like unfinished, there I have to finish it off. And I need a few twigs. Again, I have to highlight the bouquets. I hope you like this video. As I told you, see, all these leaves are very colorful. So I feel so happy as I finished this painting as I thought. And this I explored today with all different colors. So I have done. I'll meet you on another video with some other colorful, beautiful painting like this. Thank you for watching and meet you all soon. Take care. Bye bye.